Hi, I'm Bridget from Crosby's, and today we're going to help you make memories in the kitchen. This is my daughter Amelia. Amelia, what's your favorite baking memory from when you were little?
I remember I always loved licking the bowl.
I love baking with my kids, and we've always spent a lot of time together in the kitchen as soon as they were old enough to stand on a chair at the counter beside me. Baking with your kids is a great way to teach life skills. They learn their way around the kitchen without even thinking about it, and they gain the confidence to be able to cook on their own. And it's a pretty special way to spend time together.
These double chocolate cookies are one of mine and my brother's favorites, and we've been making them since we were really little.
To make these cookies, in a medium bowl, mash the butter with the sugars, add the oil and eggs, and mix well. Then add the molasses and vanilla. In another bowl, combine the flour, flax, cocoa, and salt. Add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients and mix well. And finally, stir in the chocolate chips. Drop by spoonful onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees for 12 minutes.
This recipe makes around 2.5 dozen cookies. I hope your family loves these cookies as much as we do.
For more cookie recipes to share with your family, visit our website. And for more delicious molasses recipes, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.